channel. Thank you for tuning in on today's episode. What we are going to be doing is working on that 1999 Honda Civic again. A couple little things that we're going to do. First, we're going to be installing one of the most important parts to the vehicle. It is the hood release latch. This little guy here, just that little handle that's inside the vehicle to be able to pop the hood. Mine has since been broken. It's actually how I bought the vehicle. Not that big of an issue. Went and bought this little guy here just off Amazon. I'll put the link just down below there, just in case you guys want to go ahead and pick one up. Also, the clutch and brake pedal pads have actually kind of worn down. So I picked up these little guys right here. It's going to be pretty easy to replace these. Just pop the old ones off, put these guys on, and we'll be smooth sailing from there. It's a nice day out today. Hopefully we're going to be able to get this stuff done pretty quick, and I'll show you kind of how it's done. Alright, thanks a lot guys. Tune in. Alright guys, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to take this guy back here off. It's just a little clip. We've got a nice little tool kit here, just to be able to take off all those little trim piece fasteners. Just kind of find the one that you think is going to work. Just that little guy. Ooh. That little guy right there. That's one. There's going to be another little one just right here. Then you can and just push forward. This guy comes right off. Oh, looks like we're gonna have to basically cut this plastic off. I'll make it work. Et voila. Never having to use a set of pliers again. Now, as for my clutch and my brake, you can see they're definitely worn out. Just gonna take these covers. As you can see, not a whole lot to them. That's it, take the old off. Grab your replacement. They're definitely gonna be harder to get on. That's it for that one. This one's actually still in pretty good shape, but you know what? Why not just do them both, right? We'll save this one just in case. That's it. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. It's pretty simple. All I wanted to do is just change that hood release because it is some annoying having to constantly grab a set of pliers to open up that hood every single time. Also that clutch pedal is kind of annoying me as well. Obviously I want something nice and safe to be able to use there so my foot doesn't slip off. So got those both replaced. Hopefully this video was at least a little bit entertaining, definitely a little bit shorter than what I'm usually posting there anyways, but for anyone that is just kind of wondering how to do those things, it's that simple. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in. Please send a like, send a comment, hit that subscribe button. I'm really trying to get to 100. I know, big goals, but let's see if we can get there. Alright guys, thanks a lot. Stay tuned for the next episode.